Hey guys, running Kimono here. So I hope you're all doing great. This is just a very quick flash giveaway kind of video. Special shout out and thank you to Coupon John, subscriber, and I think he might be Santa. He is the most generous. And he sent a bunch of inserts last week, guys, and with everything going on with the post office, they got stuck at one of the processing centers. And it just got stuck there for a while because I live in a very rural area. So sorry we did not have this last week, but he wanted a couple of you to have some of these inserts and how generous and kind of a gesture that is. He just keeps doing this because he knows how much you guys enjoy it. And thank you, John. This is just above and beyond generous. A couple of the highlighted coupons include this Barilla. It's a pre-cooked pasta. It's $1 off. Take a store like Walmart. I think this is like about $1.67. Use this coupon, pay 67 cents. And then I think IBOTTA has a 75-cent rebate, and there's also something on Shopkick. So it makes it a complete money maker. This coupon is valid until November 8th of 2020. So there's a long time to use it. And even sometimes this is a 10 for 10 at Meijer, so it'll be a free item. And then I know a lot of the moms and dads out there are looking for this specific unicorn coupon, which is a $2 off this new Leaf training pant for toddlers. It's valid till October the 10th. So there's a long time to use that one as well. So we're going to do this kind of differently today. I made a video yesterday where I was giving away a little booklet of Frosty coupons. We're going to extend that giveaway right up till tomorrow. So you can go on that video and enter there. And I'm going to divide the coupons into two different packages. I will include the Frosty coupons and then these inserts as one of the little giveaways, and then the other giveaway will be in this specific video. So hopefully you're following what I'm saying. We're going to have two winners, and it's going to be over two different videos. So if you didn't enter in yesterday's video because you're like, Frosty's really nothing, go and enter. You can still do that, and then you can enter this one. So you'll have two opportunities to enter. And how fun is that? And it's just, I'm really happy to do this for you guys and to help a couple of you out. So to enter in this specific video, you got to be a subscriber to this channel. Let me know where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, in the comments, write Columbus, Ohio shopper. One entry per person. And I will pin the two winners' names to my Sunday video and this video on Tuesday, September the 22nd. And get in contact with the two winners and get those coupons out in the mail like right away. This is 100% free to enter and participate. You do not have to pay a cent. I pay for the shipping. So nothing, because there's a lot of weird stuff going on Facebook and Instagram. So if you're ever asked to hand over like payment information or something like that because you won a prize, there's something not right with it. So this is 100% free, and I just want to stress that. And then the two lucky winners, and I emphasize the word lucky, they will both get one of these really super cute pumpkin stickers. You can put it on a magnet, throw it on your laptop, whatever. Just a little promotion. Unfortunately, guys, when I first had them made, I only had an extremely small batch because I wanted to see what the print would look like. And I'm like so pleased with it that I ordered more. But the manufacturing time for these stickers is like 3 months. No word of a lie. But the quality is just really nice. You can see right here on the screen how wonderful they look like. But in the future, I will have them, maybe we can do some sort of like self-addressed stamped envelope where you guys can send me a stamp in the mail, and then I'll send one of these out to you. We'll do something like that in the future whenever they do arrive. But yeah, for the two lucky winners, you're going to get the official pumpkin smoking sticker. How funny is that? And I know a lot of you find this to be very funny. And so before I take off, you can enter in this video, and then you can also enter in on my Sunday haul video. I will link that at the very end. I would again like to thank Coupon John for being so generous. Like, just, I don't have words to thank that man enough. He just goes above and beyond. 2020 has been a really hard year for a lot of us, and he just wants to keep helping out subscribers who can't get their hands on inserts. And I say thank you on behalf of all of my subbies, and this is just really going to help out two people. Good luck, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.